Hello everybody and welcome to GuideLine's occupancy clicker wireframe. Today I'm going to be showing you how the prototype for our clicker that will be used by bars and their bouncers and security will work. So we start by turning the clicker on, and then we're prompted with these three options: connect to Wi-Fi, counter, and settings. So we're going to start by connecting to Wi-Fi. We're going to go down to the bar Wi-Fi, so you're going to click the down button, click the middle button for OK. We're going to pretend that we created a password, so just pretend that I was scrolling around through the numbers in here. After creating the password, we're going to go back and we're going to go to our counter. So we're going to navigate down, click OK. And here you can either go up or go down on the counter, and that number in red will be your maximum occupancy. So as you go up, that number goes down, and as you go down, that number goes up. All right, so say you haven't been counting all night, but you have a guess of what it is, so you're going to go to instant. So you're going to move over to instant. You are going to click a random number. We're just going to click on 1. It's going to pop up with 377, and then when you go back over to increment, we're going to be at 377, and now as we add or subtract, we can see that the increment counter reflects the instant counter, and that the amount we have remaining for our max occupancy adjusts with it. Alright, so now we're going to go down to settings, and there are a couple settings that right now we have prototyped in. The first is brightness. So, you can either adjust the brightness or you can adjust your occupancy limit in settings, because we feel that those are two of the most important aspects of the clicker. Because, brightness is important because when it's dark out, you don't need a high brightness, but say you take the clicker back inside, you're probably going to need to increase the brightness, and occupancy limit will vary based on the bar location itself and what it's capable to hold. Alright, so that has been the walkthrough for GuideLine's clicker application. I hope that it was informative, and I hope that you got a good understanding of what the clicker will be able to do. Thank you.